The best software tools to promote for affiliate marketing right now in 2024 and 25 and beyond is right here on your screen. My name is Richard Hairston, and I'm going to share with you right now some tools, affiliate marketing tools that I ran into a week or so ago that I believe is going to blow your mind once you see what you're going to get access to for a low monthly fee of $97. Okay, as you see right here on the screen, it's called the MEODI, which stands for Most Incredible Over Deliver Ever. Most Incredible Over Deliver Ever. Now, this is something that is put together by James Taylor, and I have had access to this, and I'm going to show you in this video exactly what you're going to get access to. But now, before we actually get into the websites, let's look at on my screen what you see right here. You see it's called the MEODI. Okay, we're going to have legendary speakers dropping in monthly. That's going to be Limbs K. James, Vita V, Simeon Harris, some of the other names that you can see on here. It's kind of blurred out, but you can see some of the names that are on here. And these people are going to be coming in monthly, okay, doing specific training on what they are good at in their marketing. They're going to be sharing that with us. Now, this is a $97 per month value. That's what they was going to charge, $97 or either $47 per month. But something happened, so they decided that they are going to just include it in the MEODI, okay? Most Incredible Over Deliver Ever. Next thing you're going to get with that is called the Assassin Tools, which is over here to my right, maybe to your left, I don't know. Assassin Tools all-in-one platform. This would have cost you $497 per month or $97 per month, depending upon which one they wanted to go with. But if you look at this being $497 per month, it would be well worth it, simply because once I show you everything that you're going to get with this tool, you're going to be mind blown. Okay, now also you're going to get the super system. Now, the super system used to be named something else, but James bought the system. It's completely his. He's in business now with the creator of the system, or the one who works behind the scene setting all of this up. So James actually owns this now, and he was going to charge $97 per month for that in order for us to set up one system. But they was also going to combine all of these for one monthly fee of $291 per month. But something happened that triggered James, that made him want to really help affiliate marketers out who's, have different tools all over the place. You got an autoresponder over here, you got a funnel builder over there, you got social media marketing tools here, and all of this just all over the place. But what if you can put everything in one spot, housing it in one location, for you to have easy access to, not for $297 per month, but everything you see on this screen right now and much more for $97 per month, period. That's it. The price does not go up. And I'm going to show you what you get access to inside of the websites. Each tool, I'm going to take you inside of each tool so you'll see what you can have access to once you get in the MEODI school group. Now, MEODI school group is a paid group. I want you to let you know that up front, but that's where the $97 per month comes in, because that is included. The MEODI, okay, is $97 per month, and with that you get access to these speakers, you get access to the Assassin Tools all-in-one platform, and you get access to the super system, okay? And it's just so much more. But just let me take you behind the scene so you'll see what it is that you're going to get access to. And whenever you're ready to do so, just simply go ahead on and click the link that's in the description below. Enter your email, watch the webinar, okay? James explained it in the webinar. You're going to see other people who are using these tools and how it's helping them in their business as well, and how it can help you in your affiliate marketing business. Now, this doesn't, even if you are a beginner, if you're an immediate or you're a seasoned marketer, you want to watch this video so you'll see exactly what you're going to have access to right now. So let's go ahead and jump into it right now. All right, so here we are inside of the Meoti group. Okay, this is what you're going to get access to. You're going to see everyone here. You see I'm a member here. Over here, you're going to get access. Right now, there are only 34 members in this group, and we're investing $97 per month to be a part of the Meoti. With the Meoti, I'm going to show you the other tools that you get. It's not that you just get access to this system, but you're going to get access to this school membership. You're going to get access to all of the tools as well. This is an affiliate marketer would truly love this, because now you can house everything in one place and do everything you need to do. Inside of this group, you see the community here. Okay, you see people here all in the group. You're gonna have classrooms to start here, 30 days of awesomeness. I'm loving this because every 30 days they are giving you something, you know, to help you in your affiliate marketing business, even to help promote this particular system right here, the Meoti system, the Meoti tools, and everything. Just simply following these videos right here. Everything it would be unlocked on certain days. Okay, cool. If I come to day 9, it's gonna well, it's unlocked already. If I go to viral video generator, it unlocks in one day. Okay, so all of this is unlocked except for viral video generator, which is going to unlock for me tomorrow around about this time. So you get access to all of that. You get calendars in here on you know, training that we're going to have, DM closing. You'll get to see all the members of the leaderboard, and you can see what this is about. So this is the Meoti group, access for $97 per month. Now with that and access to this group, you also going to get what is called the Assassin Tools. This is the Assassin Tool. This is a full-blown on suite of everything that you need in order to run your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so you have the launch pad here. I've already connected my Facebook account. You have the dashboard here. Okay, you're gonna have information there. You can have a conversation with your leads in here. You also have calendars in here as well. You're gonna be able to see your contacts. Okay, you're gonna see opportunities and things like that. All of this is already set up in here. And then payments. Okay, you'll be able to see who's made payments. Then we come down here to marketing. This is where you can add your social media account, connect Facebook, Instagram, all of these that you can connect. This is where you're going to see your email campaigns. You have snippets here. You can do countdown timers. I have one set up in here, so you can have countdown timers, many colors, as much as you want. Trigger links and all of that. Affiliate manager. If you are, you know, have your own affiliate program, you can use this tool to set up your own affiliate program in here. Branded boards. You can, you know, use all your color schemes and text and all of that stuff right there in your image board. Automations, they already have automation set up for you. Okay, now this is still work in progress. They're still getting things together, but when this little baby here get you know, really fully up and going, it's going to be a game changer. Plus, you can create whatever you want in here. Okay, you can set up other automation workflows if you want to do that for whatever business that you're working. You have a content AI in here that you can do that. You have a global workflow settings. Okay, sites. You're going to have sites in here already. You are going to have a full funnel in here that's specifically promoting, okay, Assassin Tools in here. You're going to have that as well. You can set up membership sites in here, communities. You know, you got Facebook groups, but you can set up your own group inside of here as well. Certificate and Go Caleb Marketplace, whatever that is, I'm not sure. Media storage. You're able to upload your own images and videos and PDFs and everything in here to host this. Okay, you have a reputation manager. I'm just going to click on it. You have a reportings. Okay, app marketplace. You can download the mobile app in here as well. Once you download the mobile app, you can stay in contact with your leads. You have product research tool, okay, AI assistance, okay, and this is one of the things that AI Assassin tools give you. You can do research on affiliate products, pick your niche and category. I'll come back and show you that in another video. You have social post AI, the products, what's the problem, what's your solution, your call to action, your tonality, and it gives you responsive for Facebook, X, and Instagram over here. Email writer, IA. You create emails for your marketing, product, problem, solution, story, optional, call to action, tonality, length in words, and then your email response will come out over here. Then you have the help library, and then we have settings down here. Okay, you set up your business profile, your profile, billing, staff. You're going to have to put a billing in here because you want to be able to send emails, and it does not cost as much as Aweber or GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, or none of those services like that. You have your staff, your opportunity pipeline, automations, calendars, conversation AI. Okay, you can have this set up, conversation beta. Okay, voice AI agents. Okay, you have that in here. Email services, all of that is here. This way you're going to set up your email and things in here, so you'll be able to mail from your own domain. Phone numbers. Okay, you can have a phone number set up in here, 1-800 number, whatever you want to do. You simply set up phone system setting and go from there. WhatsApp, if you use that. Objects, I don't know what that is, but you can use it. Custom field, custom values, managed scoring, domains, URL redirects. Okay, you're able to use that for that in here. Integrations, some other things that you can integrate. I've integrated my Google account. Private integration, conversation provider, tags. This is for tags for your different lists and different emails, whatever you want to do there. You have labs, and you have audit logs, and you have branded, okay, right here, your branded boards. If we come back up one more, let's go back over here to settings and come back and look at the audit logs, okay. I'm not sure what this is, but this is going to give you information. I'm going to have to figure out what this is, but whatever it is, I'm going to figure it out, and it tells you audit logs, whatever it is. I don't know. So let's just move on from there. So this is one of the tools that you get. Now, to get this tool alone would be $97 a month, but you get it with your Meoti membership. Okay, also you get Super Systems IQ. Okay, this is going to come in where you're going to be able to set up systems in here, your system for your whatever you're promoting. You're going to have your systems here. You're going to have the all-in-one marketing hub, which takes you to this website here. Okay, and we'll come back to that later. You're going to have training and bonuses and things right here. Only thing you need to go through is that right there. Ask GPT, Chat GPT. You're going to have your settings, team settings. If you want to set up add another team member, you're going to have referrals. This is where your affiliate links are going to be. When you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to this webinar right here. Okay, so watch that webinar. So you're going to get access to this as well. Once you get your system set up, okay, you see I have a system here, but I'm going to create another system later on for another product or company that I'm promoting. But once you click your system, if I go to dashboard, okay, this is the dashboard. You're able to set up a little system for you and your network marketing team, for your affiliate marketing business, whatever it is that you're promoting. You're able to do it inside of this system. Okay, you can set up your getting traffic. You can set up referrals. Okay, you'll see your referrals here. You're able to add funnels, VSL, and webinars in here. I have not done any of that yet. You're going to be able to add training in here, resources that your people that jump into your system can use. You'll be able to set up a leaderboards. Okay, then you have settings here, integrations. This integrates with webhooks, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, GetResponse, MailingBoss, SendSharp, Drip, ConvertKit, MailChimp, Constant Contact, Go High Level, Google Sheets, Systeme.io. Okay, so if you're using Go High Level, you would just come in here and put your API key in. Some other things are going to populate. You're able to choose your list and go from there. So this is what you're able to do with system hubs, okay, or super system. Okay, because once you get your super system set up, this could be $97 per month as well, but it's included with the Meoti. Also, you're going to get another Go High Level account. Okay, this account does not have everything as assassin tool. This is just another account for you. I'm not going to go through everything over here. It's pretty much the same, except when I come down, you're going to see the ad spy tool. Okay, so you'll be able to spy on different ads on different platforms: Facebook beta, Instagram, YouTube, Google, Pinterest, Reddit, and Quora. You just put in your information, whatever it is that you're searching for in here, okay, and you're able to spy on these ads in case you're doing Facebook ads or Google ads or Instagram ads, YouTube ads. You're able to spy on those things. You put whatever you're looking for in here, search by keyword domain advertiser, okay, the days, how many, all times, 90 days, all time, the range, like, shares, comment, where you want to do it at, language, filter by technology, just some of everything, e-commerce, Shopify, Mingle, whatever. All of that you can do in here, media type. Okay, these are some AI assassin tools that you can use to grow your affiliate marketing business, a business call to action type. You can see it all in here, media type, images, videos, whatever you want to see, you're able to use this tool. AI ad generator. Okay, you have that in here as well, and super AI, okay, which is powered by ChatGPT. So you're going to have access to the super system. You're going to have access to the super system hubs where you can build your own affiliate program in here, set up your own affiliate system, okay? But not only that, if we come back over here, you go to admin, you're going to have your own admin area for your hub. And this is where you're going to do everything, set up all your call to action step, and everything is provided over here. There's training up here for that walks you through the process. And if you need any help, then sure, you can always reach out down here where my video is at right now. There's a blue button. You can click on that to get support, but everything you need is set up in here. The only thing you have to do is click that link in the description below, okay? Get into this particular, okay, the Miotti School group for $97 per month and get access to everything that you see right here, okay? You're going to get access to the assassin tools, access to your own super system, and over here you're going to get access to another go high level, okay, dashboard or software that you can use for whatever you want. Now you can use this in here. There's many more tools in here and much more you can do with the assassin tools than you can with the super system. So you can even do things in here, if you're affiliate program, but you can build your affiliate program right here and get started. So if you're looking for the best software tools to promote an affiliate program, click that link in the description below, okay? Also, and get access to the assassin tools, the super systems, okay, and your super system, okay, your super system hubs where you're going to be able to set up everything. Just click the link in the description and go ahead on and get started right now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions. My contact information will be above as well, and you can ask it in the in the comment section below. With that being said, go ahead on right now, click that link in the description, enter your email, watch the video, okay, the webinar. It's not that long, and make a decision. Go ahead and get access to everything I have shown you today, and you're going to get access to it all for only $97 per month. I will be doing other videos showcasing these tools and different ways that I'm using them in my business. But if you want to promote these tools, you can promote them too and earn 40% commission on the $97 plus 10% commissions on your referrals who get someone to purchase, and 10% on some other products and services that in here, but you must have an active account. So go ahead on, activate your account right now, get inside of here. You have a 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't want it before the 30 days up, you can cancel it and you won't be charged again. This is $97 per month for everything you see on this screen, plus a whole lot more. So click that link in the description. Go ahead and get started today. I will see you on the inside. Peace. And I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow.